Don't let those pigs sneak up on us.
You come over here, and I'll show you how vicious I am.
Take that shit!
Tear apart this whole place, man! Light it up, motherfucker!
Grease them all!
Sure you feeling up for this?
So, what do you think? Do we have enough meat to last us until the next century?
Mess with the wrong dude! I'm gonna wreck them fucked up teeth of yours! Oh shit! Do it again! Do it again!
Must be a full moon tonight. Shit!
So you want this lady? Why don't you come and get it then? I'm gonna smash your face in, asshole.
This is for the time my mom got mugged!
Let's move! I'm coming, brother! Grease them all!
Yeah, fucker! That's what I like! Come at me!
This is the NYPD! Cease and desist immediately!
at the kid! They can't do a goddamn thing!
I got the F that'll smack you till Tuesday. This shit'll make you fly straight to the sky. To the milky catch you on the flip, brother.
Hey, don't move! The consequences, buddy!
Rip his nuts off!
You want my ass?
What the hell happened to my skull, you motherfuckers?
Hey, life's tough, kid, and it's tougher when you're stupid. Hey,
Run home for help, coward! Don't leave me behind, man! Get me up! Ah, shit! Let's get out of here!
alright, let's go. You're going downtown. I'm telling the perp. He ain't something to Hey, YPD unit. Officer pursuit.
Grease them all! Boom! Ha ha
Hey, don't move!
Fucking cops, man. Don't worry, I got it. Real! Tear apart this whole place, man! Hey, man, I can use your help.
Just unlock the... Let's get some bread, man. A nice metallic vessel.
Yeah, I was just gonna watch, but fuck it! Somebody... Hell yeah!
Alright? Everything for us, man. Ow!
Looks like you ain't getting your fix tonight, junkie.
Set it off! I always get my man in. Understand? Let's get some threads, man. And these cuffs may be stretched out.
Hold it! Well, you're just a joke. go out like this. Come on, get me out. Don't leave me behind, man. Get me out. Thanks, brother. Fuck those pigs. Shit, let's get out of here.
I got your trail, partner.
Get out of my way. Move out of the way.
NYPD unit, officer pursuing a suspect. A gang member wearing a... Time's up,
Ah,
buddy.
shit, let's get
you
outta
ain't
here.
getting past me this time.
Come here, don't get late. Ah, shit, let's get out of here.
It's punks like you that give this city a bad name. Gonna be some good gambling tomorrow. They're taking a big fight tonight. A blackout target.
Come on, man. I need help. Get the keys for me. Don't leave me behind, man. Get me out.
Christmas in the summertime, baby. Oh shit, the action's about to jump off. Someone's getting off.
Come on, man. I need help. Get the keys for me.
Dag, I just snatched me a TV. Gonna be some good gambling tomorrow. You have the right to remain silent.
Asshole.
Gonna be a long day in that defense tomorrow. Christmas in the summertime, baby. Oh shit, some action about to jump off. Dag, I should snatch me a TV. Gonna be some good gambling tomorrow.
Fucking all right. Don't leave me behind, man. Get me out.
Gonna be a long line in that defense tomorrow.
Let's move. Okay, dude, let's
Christmas in the summertime, baby.
American dream. This is the American nightmare, God.
Watch my back. Get the fuck off my back, pig. Hold on a sec. You don't mess with the warrior! Got that, asshole? Hold on, get man. Me out of here. Come on, unlock me. That's what I like to see. The fucking warriors.
Why the long faces? I got... like you were all the same. You'll all end up rotting in jail.
More? Let's go, man. Bring some more. Oh yeah, man. You got it.
You think it's funny messing with the law? You're coming with...
Hold on a sec. Let's move.
I'm taking you in!
We gonna see some action tonight. I better go check on Mama.
I know you're out there. Wait, this shit is real. Damn street trash got away again. This ain't the American dream. This is the American nightmare, guys. Hell yeah!
In my head then tonight.
Yo, I was just gonna watch, but fuck it, something just came over. What is this, casino? Everybody's getting paid.
Taking you in.
I got that. I like this shit, man. I really do.
Fuck this, man. What the hell did I do, huh? You got nothing on me, man. No.
Alright? This is everyday work, man.
I can't go out like this. Come on, get me out.
Let's get some threads, man.
Fucking right. Feels good to be free. Thanks, man.
Hell yeah! Set it off! Woo! Let's get some threads, man. A nice metallic back or some shit. Alright. This is everyday work, man. So, we'll add resisting arrest to your list of charges. So you're the kid causing all the fuss around here, huh? It ends now, you hear me? I'm gonna get a box, nigga, just go.
Man, you know I didn't do nothing. You hear me? Huh? You ain't shit. Thanks, brother. Fuck those pigs.
I like this shit, man. I really do.
Hey, Capash! I'm fucking with the...
Y'all can do what y'all want to do. I'm gonna get a box. You can stop right there.
Ah, shit. Let's get out of here. Watch your back, man.
Let's get it on, man. I like this shit, man. I really do. Come on
Come here,
out,
don't
kid.
get me.
The crime spree's over. The only loser is you.
Ah, shit.
You
Let's
think
get
it's
out of
funny
here.
messing with the law? You're coming with me.
It's time for you to chew on,
Appreciate.
asshole!
Oh yeah, man. You got it.
that was great, man. Everyone was getting in on the action.
It's too bad them riot cops had to ruin our fun, man. Yo, check it out. The lights are coming on.
Good. The subway will be running in no time.
Who the hell are these dudes?
I don't want to find out.
I say we take off. Let's stay out of sight, man. I don't want these freaks on our ass. Come on, guys, run! Who the hell were those freaks, man?
I don't know, man, but they were some bad mother dudes, man.
They creep me out, man. I just want to get back to Coney, all right?
Yeah, I hear that.
There's a lot of chump. Wow. Those store owners are a bunch of pricks. They keep our eyes open.